Hi, everyone. My name is Tami Charles, and I am the author of All Because You Matter, which is an affirmation of worth. We Are Here, which is a celebration of history. And book three in the series is entitled Together United, which is a proclamation for the future. The type of future where we celebrate our differences and honor our past and learn from it, while also uplifting those who will follow in our footsteps. My inspiration for this book was to write a love letter to all readers, especially young readers, to let them know that there is power in unity and there's power in coming together for the greater good.
The biggest thing that I was thinking about when I was approaching the text was it made me remember being a kid and going on a field trip to a planetarium where you see the universe in many different ways. You figure out where do I fit in this world? But then visually, you'll see the kids become giants, giant steps that the kids are taking. They're giants, they're walking in this universe. And I just wanted to play with those ideas visually.
I really hope that you enjoy reading Together United